Resilience is important for everything, because if you have resilience, which means that you can survive. Our business is very focused on safety. To keep the sufficient level of safety, you'd like to have resilience. You should have buffers. If you don't have buffers, you cannot succeed after the crisis to recover. For sure. Look at when I started, it was around 23 years ago. Nobody talked about cost efficiency, money. We talk only as air traffic controllers for safety. Now we started underestimating safety. I don't know why, and we started talking about cost efficiency, about cutting cost. So really professional discussion is needed in order to set the right projects for the future. I can see a significant gap about the political expectation and the reality. We have to break this gap and to sit around the table, professionals from all over the world, and to start talking and to set the right projects. I believe that it's a common goal, so everybody has to agree how to proceed, because what we have now, we have a new legislation in Europe, we have some political expectations. There are politicians, which is normal actually to set some political goals, but the key point here is how to achieve these political goals. So the means how to achieve it is very important. I believe a lot, because you can see people from all over Europe are here, from different societies, from different businesses. So if we put the problems on the table and if we discuss it from different perspective, I believe finally we'll achieve the goal which might contribute for better service.